अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं हूं मंसूर सलीम और आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं फर्स्ट ईयर इंग्लिश के चैप्टर नंबर 2 वंस मोर टू द लेक के 100 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। एमसीक्यू नंबर 1 है द टेक्स्ट वंस मोर टू द लेक इज रिटन बाय गीदी मुसापा, E.B. White, Ralph Waldo Emerson, E.B. Browning, and the correct answer is E.B. White. MCQ number 2 है Elvin Brooks White was an English writer, Scottish writer, American writer, Irish writer, and the correct answer is American writer. MCQ number 3 है E.B. White was the author of the several highly popular books for adults, young boys, young girls, children, and the correct answer is option D, children. MCQ number 4 है E.B. White is best known for his book on children, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, Charlotte's Web, The Little Prince, Harry Potter, and the correct answer is option B, Charlotte's Web. MCQ number 5 है Once More to the Lake is a or an essay, short story, play, and poem, and the correct answer is essay. MCQ number 5 है Once More to the Lake is a or an expository essay, argumentative essay, persuasive essay, narrative essay, and the correct answer is option D, narrative essay. MCQ number 7 है Once More to the Lake has which type of narrative writing? Option A, fiction, non-fiction, fantasy, mystery, and the correct answer is option B, non-fiction. MCQ number 8 है the essay Once More to the Lake is written in a pattern which is linear narrative, non-linear narrative, quest narrative, none of the above, and the correct answer is option B, non-linear narrative. MCQ number 9 है How long is the essay Once More to the Lake originally? Option A 6 paragraphs long, option B 8 paragraphs long, option C 10 paragraphs long, and option D 12 paragraph long, and the correct answer is 12 paragraph long. MCQ number 10 है Once More to the Lake was originally published in option A Harper's Magazine, option B Narrative Magazine, option C American Short Fiction, and option D Clark's World Magazine, and the correct answer is option A Harper's Magazine. MCQ number 11 है Once More to the Lake was first published in the year option A 1904, option B 1924, option C 1914, and option D 1941, and the correct answer is 1941. MCQ number 12 है The essay Once More to the Lake chronicles E.B. White's pilgrimage back to which lakefront resort he visited as a child. Option A Belgrade Lakes, Maine, option B Lakeside Inn, option C Emerald Lake Lodge, option D the Blue Harbor Resort, Wisconsin, and the correct answer is Belgrade Lake, Maine. Option number 13 है The lake that White writes about is option A Lake Ontario, option B Lake Erie, option C Great Pond, option D Lake Baikal, and the correct answer is option C Great Pond. MCQ number 14 है Great Pond is one of the several in the vicinity of Belgrade, Maine, Canandaigua, New York, Oregon, USO, Texas, USA, and the correct answer is Belgrade, Maine. MCQ number 15 है In Once More to the Lake, White revisits his ideal boyhood. Option A house, option B vacation spot, option C academy, option D work site, and the correct answer is option B vacation spot. MCQ number 16 है The writer in the essay Once More to the Lake is accompanied by his brother, son, wife, pet, and the correct answer is option B, son. MCQ number 17 है White returned to the lake after many years with his son. Option A David, option B Joe, option C Jack, option D Oliver, and the correct answer is option B, Joe. MCQ number 18 है In the beginning of Once More to the Lake, the writer characterizes himself as option A lake waterman, option B pond waterman, option C salt waterman, option D ordinary man, and the correct answer is salt waterman. MCQ number 19 है the writer has referred to the word placidity in the context of peacefulness, calmness, loneliness, idleness, and the correct answer is option A, peacefulness. MCQ number 20 है the narrator visited the lake for the first time in the year 1900, 1904, 1941, 1991, and the correct answer is option B, 1904. MCQ number 21 है the writer used to visit the lake. Option A in New York, option B in Maine, option C near his farmhouse, option D in his school, and the correct answer is option B in Maine. MCQ number 22 है Maine is the northeasternmost state of Ireland, Scotland, the United States of America, the United Kingdom, and the correct answer is the United States of America. MCQ number 23 है in which season did the writer use to visit the lake in his childhood? Option A summer, option B winter, option C autumn, option D spring, and the correct answer is option A summer. MCQ number 24 है in which season did the writer revisit the lake with his son? Option A summer, option B winter, option C autumn, option D spring, and the correct answer is option A summer. MCQ number 25 है the writer used to visit the lake every summer on June 1st, July 1st, August 1st, September 1st, and the correct answer is option C, August 1st. MCQ number 26 है how long did the writer used to stay in Maine? Option A 1 day, option B few days, option C a couple of weeks, option D 1 month, and the correct answer is option D 1 month. MCQ number 27 है the writer used to go to the lake for option A fishing, option B seeing waves, option C enjoying cool water, option D enjoying swimming, and the correct answer is option A fishing. MCQ number 28 है the writer's son was not familiar with visit to farmhouse, freshwater lake, rainforest, sea, and the correct answer is option B freshwater lake. MCQ number 29 है only from train windows the writer's son had seen water lotus, lily pads, wet woods, sheltered bay, and the correct answer is option B lily pads. MCQ number 30 है which of the following did E.B. White suspect to be desolated? Option A the sheltered bay, option B the streams, option C the tarred road, option D Thames, and the correct answer is the tarred road. MCQ number 31 है how time would have made this unique, this beautiful spot. What is the writer referring to in this sentence? Option A beach, option B lake, option C river, option D sea, and the correct answer is option B lake. MCQ number 32 है the word made means spoil, option B improves, option C enhance, option D desolate, and the correct answer is option A spoil. MCQ number 33 है the idiom return into the grooves mean option A to spend a vacation on a lake, option B to get busy in work, option C to follow a routine, option C to get back to your old comfortable self, and the correct answer is option C to get back to your old comfortable self. MCQ number 34 है in the early morning the lake was option A cool motionless, option C rough and choppy, option C calm and peaceful, option D warm and stagnant, and the correct answer is option A cool and motionless. MCQ number 35 है the lake was cool and motionless in the early morning, option B dawn till dusk, option C early evening, and option D late night, and the correct answer is option A early morning. MCQ number 36 है the writer's bedroom was scented with the smell of roses and lilacs, lumber and wetwood, sweet bay and mint, lavender and sandalwood, and the correct answer is lumber and wetwoods. MCQ number 37 had the partitions in the camp in which E.B. White stayed were thick, broad, large, thin, and the correct answer is thin. MCQ number 38 had the narrator used to sneak out of the camp and start out in the car, watercraft, canoe, yacht, and the correct answer is canoe. MCQ number 39 है what does the word sneak mean? Creep, appear, confront, weak, and the correct answer is creep. MCQ number 40 है the canoe is a type of cruise ship, ferry, fishing vessel, narrow boat with paddles, and the correct answer is option D, narrow boat with paddles. MCQ number 41 है the writer kept his canoe close along the shore in the long shadow of option A pine trees, option B coconut trees, option C peepal tree, option D neem tree, and the correct answer is option A pine trees. MCQ number 42 है the writer does not depict the lake as option A cool, option B motionless, option C wild, option C trustworthy, and the correct answer is option C wild. MCQ number 43 है there were multiple cottages around the shores although the shores of the lake were heavily wooded, lightly wooded, at the risk of rough water, polluted with marine debris, and the correct answer is option A heavily wooded. MCQ number 44 है the writer's family used to spend their time living at the farmhouse, camp, shore, resort, and the correct answer is shore. MCQ number 45 है where did E.B. White's family eat their meals when they were on a vacation? At the shore, at the farmhouse, at the seaside, at the hills, and the correct answer is at the farmhouse. MCQ number 46 है the narrator said he was right about the assumption he made about tarred road, the sheltered bay, camps, outboard motors, and the correct answer is tarred roads. MCQ number 47 है how many miles did the tarred roads lead to the shore? A mile, half a mile, 2 miles, 5 miles, and the correct answer is option B, half a mile. MCQ number 48 है the writer and his son settled in a cottage, camp, resort, farmhouse, and the correct answer is option B, camp. MCQ number 49 है the narrator together with his son settled in a camp near the shore, the lake, a farmhouse, the woods, and the correct answer is a farmhouse. MCQ number 50 है which of the following words used in the essay have the same meaning? Illusion and marriage, sensation and transposition, goodness and jollity, marred and tarred, and the correct answer is illusion and marriage. MCQ number 51 है E.B. White seemed himself to be living in a dreamland, dual existence, lakefront resort, homesick memory, and the correct answer is option B, dual existence. MCQ number 52 है what creepy sensation does White experience at the lake? The sense that he is both his father and his son, the feeling of being lost, the sense of being watched over by someone, aquaphobia and dizziness, and the correct answer is option A, the sense that he is both his father and his son. MCQ number 53. On the first morning, the writer accompanied by his son went hiking, scuba diving, fishing, rafting, and the correct answer is option C, fishing. MCQ number 54 है what was covering the worms in the bait can? Damp moss, cornmeal, moist leaf, flour, and the correct answer is damp moss. MCQ number 55 है what is a moss? A green flowerless plant, an algae, a weed, a spider web, and the correct answer is a green flowerless plant. MCQ number 56 है beyond any doubt that everything was it always had been that the years were a mirage and that there had been no years. This notion is ignited by a dragonfly, a red squirrel, the worms in the bait can, the sound of outboard motors. And the correct answer is a dragonfly. MCQ number 57 है, what does the word creepy mean? Relaxing, frightening, fragile, elusive. And the correct answer is frightening. MCQ number 58 had the boat on which the writer traveled when he revisited the lake was of the same red color, blue color, white color, green color. And the correct answer is option D, green color. MCQ number 59 है, who caught two fish before lunch in the essay once more to the lake? Son, father, both son and father, spinner. And the correct answer is option C, both son and father. MCQ number 60 है, how many fish did the narrator and his son catch? 2, 4, 5, 8. And the correct answer is option A, 2. MCQ number 61 है, the writer together with his son went for a swim before breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner. And the correct answer is option C, lunch. MCQ number 62 है, E.B. White asserted that the lake was a constant and trustworthy body of water, stagnant and tranquil body of water, rough and turbulent body of water, smooth flowing body of water. And the correct answer is constant and trustworthy body of water. MCQ number 63 है, a dock is a boat, harbor, resort, cabin. And the correct answer is option B, harbor. MCQ number 64 है, the lake was seeming like an utterly beautiful spot, unique place, enchanted sea, soothing sight. And the correct answer is option C, enchanted sea. MCQ number 65 है, who were doubling the attendants in the lake? Algae, fish, lily pads, weeds. And the correct answer is option B, fish. MCQ number 66 है, the freshwater leavings and debris were found under the floorboards, chin, deep waters, sand. And the correct answer is option A, floorboards. MCQ number 67 है, according to the narrator, the water of the lake felt rough and powerful, thin, clear and insubstantial, pure, clean and constant, calm and moving. And the correct answer is thin, clear and insubstantial. MCQ number 68 है, what does the word jollity mean? Cheerfulness, peacefulness, sadness, loneliness. And the correct answer is cheerfulness. MCQ number 69 है, what is the part of the speech of jollity? Adjective, noun, verb, adverb. And the correct answer is noun. MCQ number 70 है, the only thing that change about the lake is the sounds, consistency, beauty, peacefulness. And the correct answer is option A, sounds. MCQ number 71 है, what jeered the writer in the essay once more to the lake? Or which thing breaks the writer's illusion and make him realize that ears are moving? The sedative sound of inboard motors, the creepy sensation that he is both his father and his son, the unfamiliar sound of the outboard motors. Option D, his thoughts about his mortality. And the correct answer is the unfamiliar sound of the outboard motors. MCQ number 72 है, according to the narrator, the sound of inboard motors was sedative, irritable, petulant, disturbing. And the correct answer is option A, sedative. MCQ number 73 है, the antonym of the word sedative is tranquilizing, soothing, relaxing, agitating. And the correct answer is agitating. MCQ number 74 है, according to the narrator, the sound of inboard motor was an ingredient of winter sleep, summer sleep, peace and jollity, happiness and relaxation. And the correct answer is option B, summer sleep. MCQ number 75 है, inboard motor comprise of one cylinder and two cylinder engines, 2-cylinder and 4-cylinder engines, 4-cylinder and 8-cylinder engines, no engines. And the correct answer is 1-cylinder and 2-cylinder engines. MCQ number 76 है, which engine cylinders made a throbbing and fluttering sound according to the writer? 1 lungers, 2 lungers, 3 lungers, 4 lungers. And the correct answer is 1 lungers. MCQ number 77 had the sound made by the twin cylinder was throbbing, fluttering, purring, whining. And the correct answer is purring. MCQ number 78 है, in the hot morning the outboard motors made a petulant, irritable sound, throbbing and fluttering sound, annoying and agitating sound, pleasing and sedative sound. And the correct answer is option A, petulant, irritable sound. MCQ number 79 है, which word is similar to the meaning of petulant? Option A, easygoing. Option B, sedative. Option C, insubstantial. Option D, peevish. And the correct answer is option D, peevish. MCQ number 80 है, at about night the outboard motors made a petulant, irritable sound, whining sound about one's ears like mosquitoes, throbbing and fluttering, sedative and relaxing. And the correct answer is option B, whining sound about one's ears like mosquitoes. MCQ number 81 had the outboard motors made a whining sound about one's ears like honeybees, dragonflies, mosquitoes, grasshoppers. And the correct answer is mosquitoes. Option C. MCQ number 82 है, whining sound about one's ears like mosquitoes. Which literary device is used by the narrator here? Hyperbole, simile, irony, metaphor. And the correct answer is option B, simile. MCQ number 83 है, E.B. White says he and his son had a good week at the show, Shelter Bay, Camp, Lake. And the correct answer is option C, Camp. MCQ number 84 है, according to the writer, which smell drifted through the rusty screens into the bedroom? The smell of a swamp, the smell of wet woods, the smell of soil after rain, the smell of the lumber. And the correct answer is the smell of the swamp, option A. MCQ number 85 है, in the essay Once More to the Lake, E.B. White struggles mainly with homesickness, internal conflict, reminiscence, memory loss. And the correct answer is internal conflict. MCQ number 86 है, what does the lake symbolize in Once More to the Lake? Calmness and perpetuity, constancy and coolness, patience and smoothness, power and depth. And the correct answer is calmness and perpetuity. MCQ number 87 है, who was or were tapping on the roof of the camp of the writer? Mosquitoes, swamp, red squirrel, mouse. And the correct answer is option C, red squirrel. MCQ number 88 है, the writer felt at the end of the essay the fear of the storm, the danger of the life, happy, loneliness. And the correct answer is option C, happy. MCQ number 89 है, the style of the writing throughout his essay is very sensory heavy, persuasive, objective, expository. And the correct answer is option A, sensory heavy. MCQ number 90 है, Once More to the Lake is an essay which is written on the count of biographical, autobiographical, literal, impersonal. And the correct answer is option B, autobiographical. MCQ number 91 है, the theme of the White's essay is misery and dissolution, happiness and beauty of life, the passage of time and changes that it brings, adventure, exploration and discovery. And the correct answer is option C, the passage of time and the changes that it brings. MCQ number 92 है, there are multiple points of comparison in the essay Once More to the Lake, and the language he uses to describe theme is concrete and specific, abstract and theoretical, indistinct and obscure, imprecise and ambiguous. And the correct answer is option A, concrete and specific. MCQ number 93 है, when White was a child, his family arrived at the town of Belgrade by car, railway, aeroplane, bus. And the correct answer is option B, railway. MCQ number 94 है, when White revisited the lake, he along with his son arrived at the town of Belgrade by railway, canoe, aeroplane, car. And the correct answer is option D, car. MCQ number 95 है, at some points in the essay, White gets lost in the setting suffering from identity crisis, aquaphobia, memory loss, pessimistic thoughts. And the correct answer is option A, identity crisis. MCQ number 96 है, how many senses does the writer appeal to in the essay once more to the lake? 2, 3, 4, 5. And the correct answer is option D, 5. MCQ number 97 है, White has appealed to all the 5 senses in his essay once more to the lake. The literary devices which explores the 5 human senses is called sensory imagery, allusion, anaphora, juxtaposition. And the correct answer is sensory images. MCQ number 98 है, the narrator's denial to accept that he is now the father, not the child, signifies he isn't wistful of the past, the man versus himself due to internal conflict, he doesn't want to get lost in childhood memories, he's tired of his life. And the correct answer is option B, the man versus himself due to internal conflict. MCQ number 99 है, throughout the essay, E.B. White maintains a tone which is humorous, joyful, nostalgic or pessimistic. And the correct answer is nostalgic. MCQ number 100 है, E.B. White has broadly used the word lake for the cycle of life. So the word lake itself acts as a or an simile, metaphor, imagery, hyperbole. And the correct answer is metaphor. तो ये तो थे हमारे once more to the lake के 100 MCQs. I hope so कि तमाम स्टूडेंट्स को ये MCQs अच्छी तरह से समझ में आ गए होंगे. अगर कोई चीज़ समझ में नहीं आई तो आप कमेंट्स के अंदर पूछ सकते हैं. हमारे चैनल को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिए.